Man, them in a Crocs. Top guy. Hey.
Yes, Nash, get some.
Alright. Man, them in a Crocs. Man, them in a Crocs now. What's him? Eh, Joe? Crocs. So yeah, welcome to the project, guys. As you can see, 3 weeks in. Was it 4 weeks now? Had a lot done.
3? I told them.
I think it's about 3 weeks.
We're about 4 weeks in it.
Yeah. But progress is happening right now. So today we were busy working outside. Well, obviously the weather's not saying much today. So we have to like adapt and then come inside here. I'm trying to do a bit of work here. The brickies that were working outside here, they had to also call it a day because of the weather. So they just left early, but you know, we'll still have to go on, you know what I mean? So we're just currently actually sorting this out now. You know?
Every time woman said, she not promise about a tight hole. If you can't swim, you got flat drum.
Where rest is inside the stuff for now? Well, can you come straight across?
No. Hold on, listen.
Okay.
Only like.
I'm not saying it. Alright, listen. Just listen. So you want to lift and push towards us? Lift back.
Who is this guy talking to?
I don't know what you want me to say. So the lip. So you have to pull that across that way, then we can take the head in. Alright, check.
Go on.
Yeah. You manage it, Nash? Nice.
Mana pocket cat landing. I'm strong.
That's the lift back home.
Pocket the tail and strong.
So the lift back home.
You don't have to call up here.
Yeah.
Afraid?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You said it one time.
When you put a Vince man and a Jamaican man together, what you get?
Hard work. It's about to say the Nash, I'm gonna have to do that. What I'm going to do with them fun. That's funny. Alpha IG? Alpha GI? GI, bro? Really big on money.
That's how you do. Let me just walk a magic.
So what do you guys think about the project so far?
The project is going good, sir.
Yeah? Everything is on schedule.
We're working, even when we're in a communal working. We're putting up what? We're putting up plywood shed. We can stop this one, carnival.
So yeah, again, what we're doing right now, taking out this frame right here. So just to give us a bit of access to work on this space, we're going to put in that steel frame. All this space is gonna be like the kitchen. Yeah. So it's quite a big extension, you know what I mean? Coming up there with that wall. That's the height of the flat roof that's going up there. So, as I said before, the bricky them was here earlier, but they had to leave because of the weather. So, we just cracking on, mate. Yesterday we were working on this. That's another steel frame is gonna come in there. Not steel frame, like a steel column. And then you're gonna have like a full-on. It's gonna come up that way and come over the top over there, and the beam is gonna come and support that whole downside bit there, come down. 2 columns there, steel columns, one there, one down there. And you got the steel beam over the side over there. So yeah, it's gonna be a whole open plan situation. Obviously we still have a bit of filling to do in here just to come up to the floor level. We're trying to get everything watertight by, winter time. So right now speed is key, and we just go with the flow. All right, so let's get it moving.
Put on something shoes, man. With the metal one that we buy.
That's
Was it
number
yours?
one, that's number one.
I know, but we buy one where you put in and use already in it. So that's one more we use.
Be careful, yeah. I don't want to use it. Someone want one.
No man, no, I use a brand new thing.
Oh, you must say this guy. Do you want to take that one and waste time now, man? I don't have to use. I don't have to use it, brother. For the one, but I don't find the brand new so one 19 man. For the beef. My good friend. You have a screw over here. No, they got a screw over here. You have a screw somewhere in here. Roll in it.
So maybe that's screw this one. Cut down the middle like this, cut down, kick down the car for don't put in it. Screw it inside it.
Like this thing? Yeah. Take it on a second.
Hold it.
Yeah. Solid away like yours.
What do you mean?
Solid away like Ezra.
Yeah?
Ezra, a white boy, you know.
Ezra don't give me colour yet.
White boy, Ezra be.
So, alright, so
And jeans was stronger.
that frame could stay for now. Leave that frame there.
Yeah, that can stay for now,
stay for now.
yeah. Yeah, that can stay. Glasses out, so apply up there. Okay, have to chop out. The bridge go closer. And put that fan, we dust them fly out.
So, okay.
Okay. Then after that shower side in the car, when you skip or something. But you have to skip out the way in the car when you
Can't
have
skip full in it.
when you skip and pull on, can't you think when that skip?
Full G. You know when they come there first time on the ground in it. Can't overfull them. That's the ring there, innit? So, this can't go down my car, man. I'm just carry this down my car, innit? I'm gonna examine underneath the floor. Like if it's the same depth as that, depends on the money I could probably just cast everything in one, innit?
So you're talking about the kitchen as well, like on there?
Yeah. But I'll have to see in it. If there's a wall here, underneath, if there's a purling wall around this way,
Yeah.
I probably could do it, but if not,
There's a wall on it.
there's a wall right in there.
Have you seen it?
There's a wall on it here. Wrap this up at me. Wrap this up.
Yeah, look at wall there, Jude.
Yeah?
Look at wall there.
There's a wall.
Yeah.
There's a wall there.
So, yeah.
It's up there.
Maybe we can just do that. What do you think?
I'm thinking about it. Think about the cost.
Do the maths.
Yeah, sometimes we just want to come on the room.
Yeah, come on, come in. Yeah.
They take up these already, though, innit?
But you can't have another hand.
Huh?
You ain't got nothing?
Oh, you pull up board, man.
Give me the hammer, please. Gosh, you're not with me, ass, though.
My closet.